Hi, hello all. Narendra here. In this session, let's discuss about new switch statement in Java. Yes, Oracle added a lot of enhancement to the switch statement itself. And I think as a developer, we must have to upgrade ourselves. You know, nowadays, each 6 months, Java getting updated. Means there is a new release in every 6 months. Java 21 going to release in next month, that is September 19, 2023. So let's understand. In this session, I am going to explain each concept they have added as part of enhancement of this switch statement. From Java 7 to 17, up to date I will explain. And really it is very important and it will be useful in your project task. Let's understand. Okay. So instead of this theory, let me write some program, you will understand. Okay. So please make sure that you are using more than Java 17. I am using Java 20 here. Okay. So I will create a class, let's say demo. I will say switch demo. So before switch we are having if else statement, right? Suppose we are having int day equal to 1, we are writing some if else statement. So if day equal to 1, it's Monday, else we will write one more if day equal to 2, then one statement, then one more else if, then finally we will write else, right? So all these if else statement before we used to write. Now also we are writing, but this if else statement can be written as ternary operator or switch statement. Switch statement is more readable and good to use whenever we are having this kind of requirement. So that is the evaluation of switch. Okay. So before Java 7 we are using this switch. In switch we are using this integer or other types as parameter. But after Java 7, in Java 7 even string we can use as a switch case, we can pass. So let's deal with string. We'll take string day. Let's I'm initializing Sunday. Yes, from Java 7 onwards we can add a string as a switch case. So we'll pass switch. Here we'll pass that day and we'll write some case. If it is Sunday, then it's a Sunday. Then we'll write break. Like this we'll have multiple case. Saturday and finally default will come. So finally default will come. It's unknown day, something like that. So we can change to Monday or Wednesday. So something like that. If we'll run this program, it will say Sunday. You see, it's Sunday because we are passing Sunday. What I will do, I will remove this break statement. Suppose by mistakenly I forgot to add. So if you run it, so it is matching with this Sunday, but still Monday also showing. After that I return this Monday. Okay, so it is continuing because we have not put break, right? So let's take one more example. Suppose I am having week schedule, whole week schedule. Sunday and Saturday I used to awake at suppose 7 a.m. Okay, it's an example only. So if I let put break, so if we'll pass Saturday, you see it is giving 7 a.m. If we'll pass any other day like Tuesday, it is default, it will go to default 6 a.m. right? So in Java 7 they have added this, any string we can take as a switch parameter argument, and in even label value also. Even we can declare a enum, we can declare a enum, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that enum also we can pass from Java 8 onwards. Okay, so you see from Java 12 they have did some enhancement. Okay, what enhancement they did, we can pass multiple label here. So this Saturday and Sunday we can pass, putting comma we can pass like this. Okay, if we are passing Tuesday, it is going 6 a.m. If we pass Sunday, it will go 7 a.m. even Saturday also. So multiple label we can combine in Java 12, and also we can use this arrow symbol like lambda. Okay, so here no need to write this break. If you are using arrow symbol, everywhere you need to use, you cannot combine it. You don't think that one case you will use arrow, another case you will use colon. It's not possible, you will get compile time error. You see how simple. If you are running, you are getting 7 a.m. Password data will get default 6 a.m. This arrow, you see, even we can we can declare this switch as a expression. We can return like this. Suppose I will take a variable string result. I will initialize a null or blank. Okay, and I will assign here result equal to (7 AM). I don't want to print Friday. I'm getting early, and this default it is 6 AM. Better to awake every day in same time. It's good, but it's an example only. Okay, so this is like a I'm returning it this result. So let I will say result equal to, and it's an expression. Okay, let's print this result. So if we'll pass Friday, you see it is returning 5 PM. So from Java 12 it is like a expression and it is returning, and instead of writing here we are returning, and we can process some other things with this result. Okay, so in Java 13 what they did, you can use this colon instead of arrow mark. You can use this colon, but if you are using colon you need to use yield. Okay, if you are using this you need to use everywhere. Combination it's not possible. This is in Java 13 they have added. So instead of break we'll use yield. Break is a odd statement. Yield they have done like this. So if we'll run Sunday 7 AM. Okay, so this in Java 12 and 13, this is arrow mark, and as a expression in Java 12 they have done, and this yield they have introduced in Java 13. So all are preview release, temporary release they given, but in Java 14 they make it permanent. Okay, so you no need to remember all these things in Java 14 or 13 whatever happen and all. No need to remember, no need to worry. Only just for info I am saying, just you learn what is the beauty of switch case. What we can do, you see, before switch how it was boilerplate code, and now how it is looks simple. Okay, and in Java 17 they have done also some enhancement. Okay, in a switch arguments we can pass as a object. We can pass object as a switch argument, and in the label also. That is called pattern matching. So what we will do, let convert to object here. I will convert a object. String also a object, but I am saying any object we can pass. So let me pass 1 2 3. This is the integer object. So this object I will pass here. Yes, it's possible. Any object I can pass, and I will check. Like this. If it is integer, I will initialize a variable and I will say I am an int value. So like this I can say string. If it is string, yes, so don't use yield. Let's use that expression arrow mark. So I will say like this, I am a string value. In default, whatever object, if it is string or int or any object, we can say like I am unknown type. Let's call toString. So let's say what is happening. See, cannot find symbol variable result. Okay, this result I am trying to print. So here I am processing, no need to return. Sorry, instead of this result, we will take this obj. Let's remove this line, don't be confused. So it's returning a object, so we should initialize that to a object variable, and we need to print that object. Okay, so before I was specifying that string result, so now you run it. You see, I am int value. It will not run before Java 17. You see, I am using Java 20. More than Java 17 you can use. Okay, so even we can pass null as a case. So this is introduced in Java 17. In a case null also we can pass. Okay, I will say like this. I am null. So it will match. It will pass. It will not initialize anything. Okay, you see, I am null. So null also is a case. From Java 17. And suppose another feature is known as, I forgot that name. Sorry, guarded pattern. That means in that label we can pass a condition in that label. Okay, that label itself can be a condition. Suppose you can put some and there is a employee object. Okay, so instead of string you will pass employee, and you will check this employee. Suppose we are having get of department. If the department is IT dot equals something like that, you will check some conditions. I don't have employee object, that's why I'm getting error. Equals IT, then we will print it's an IT employee, something like that. That means this label itself, there is a, it is a condition. We can put like this, any condition. So this is known as guarded pattern. Okay. So in Java 7 we got string, and Java 8 enum. I don't know, enum is come in Java 5, but enum they have introduced in switch, in which version I don't know. I put in Java 8. No need to remember which version it came, but we need to know that what are the enhancement it done. So in Java 12 they have introduced this expression, switch as expression, and arrow function, even multiple values in case label. Okay. And return also, we can able to return that switch, right? And in Java 13 they have introduced as yield. Okay. So these, all this Java 12 and 13, it's temporary release. In 12 they made it permanent, and in Java 17, which is introduced, which is released in 21 September, okay, they have introduced this pattern matching and guarded pattern and null case. Pattern matching we saw, right? We can pass object in a case, even label also. Before switch and now switch, how much difference is? So much things we are able to do. So we should know all these things as a developer. Okay. That's all about this session. If any doubt, please comment. I will respond it. Please like and comment my video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It will be motivate me to create new video. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet in other videos, next videos. Okay.